बारे में ये खबर आई थी कि इनके पास से ये आर्म्स रिकवर हुए हैं.
Axes and arms recovered.
जी. So
anyone who comes with a protest rally with an axe or a weapon, his intent is clear. He's not peaceful demonstrator.
That's right, sir. So serial number 11 to 16 were all these people जिनसे recover हुआ है based on the
मतलब ये शरई तकाज़ों के मुताबिक है ना.
अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब, कितनी अजीब और गरीब बात है. जिन लोगों ने उनको नाश्ता पहुंचाया या खाना पहुंचाया उनके तो स्टेटमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं हम, लेकिन हम टीएलपी वाले किसी आदमी को हम नहीं बुला रहे. जिस बेचारे ने दे या जो भी कहे उसने, अगर उनको किसी को वहाँ पे धरने वालों को खाना पहुंचाया है, नाश्ता पहुंचाया है, उसका तो हम जो है ना बयान रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
तो उनका भी बयान तो उनका भी नहीं रिकॉर्ड हुआ है सर. उनका भी बस वो आईबी की रिपोर्ट्स हैं जो
नाम दे दिया है ना. मोहम्मद नईम,
नाम सबके हैं.
हाँ, मोहम्मद नईम CEO सेवा फूड.
जी, नाम सबके हैं, बल्कि उनकी स्टेटमेंट्स भी हुई हैं.
यही तो मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ कि उनके स्टेटमेंट हुए हैं. नहीं हुए तो टीएलपी के नहीं हुए. जैसे कि
खाना देना कोई जुर्म तो नहीं है.
उसकी हद तक कहा कि आगे आप ही इन्वेस्टिगेट.
मतलब खाना किसी ने किसी को पिला दिया, खिला दिया या पानी पिला दिया, वो तो कोई जुर्म नहीं है ना. अभी रिकमेंडेशंस क्या दे रहे हैं हमें? फिर ये भी पढ़ लेते हैं. ये खत्म हो गए ना इनके टोटल टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस.
जी, टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस खत्म हो गए सर. एंड देन कंक्लूजन्स पेज 138 ऑनवर्ड्स.
किधर से आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं?
फिर
कंक्लूजन
पेज 138. हाँ,
138 ऑनवर्ड्स ये कंक्लूजन्स हैं सर. एंड रिकमेंडेशंस आर एट पेज 143. इसमें अब let me, if I can just go through, we don't need to go through all of them, but we can just eliminate which I need not read, and then I can turn to which.
How can they give individual responsibility to a politician like Mr. Rana Sanaullah? He's not a bureaucrat. He doesn't get paid out of the public exchequer. वो तो उनका काम है to monitor, to contain. वो सारा लग रहा है उनसे कुछ किसी को, या तो उनसे कोई दुश्मनी हो गई है इनसे.
Sir, page 145 and from paragraph 9 onwards.
Paragraph
9 is also something is vague. For paragraph 10 again, page sir 145, the typewritten page 45 and the handwritten 146. So paragraph 10 and then 11 onwards, sir. 10 is a general statement the government.
Recommendation शुरू होते हैं page 143.
जी, 143 से start होते हैं.
Now let's see what profound statements are made in these recommendations.
Sir, the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is the supreme law.
Profound statement.
जी, demarcating spheres of functioning of all organs of the state and rights and duties of the state and citizens. All laws, rules and policies have to be in conformity with this basic document. Constitution being a social contract binds people with the state. Therefore, imperatives of the Constitution should be followed for a public order in the country. 2.
Now, this is a recommendation.
Yeah.
This is a statement that should be given to class 5 children, which is being filed in the Supreme Court. Next,
trichotomy of power is the basic feature of the Constitution, regulating the functioning of each organ of the state within its own orbit. Maintenance of public order is the exclusive domain of the executive. Therefore, is required to be left to the executive to be dealt with. Dabbling by other organs in others areas may be avoided.
Profound.
3. Governance and law are interlinked. Article 4 of the Constitution of Pakistan unequivocally emphasizes that all acts of the functionaries should be in accordance with law. Accordingly, all functionaries of the state derive authority from a provision of the Constitution or law and rules framed thereunder. Therefore, cannot deprive any citizen of his or her vested rights save in accordance with law. It is therefore essential that functionaries of the state must bear this aspect in mind while exercising authority. It is high time all understood the supremacy of the Constitution, and to be out of woods, they need to maintain equilibrium as enshrined in the Constitution of Pakistan through collective wisdom.
Be out of the woods. Which woods? The woods of the Constitution?
4, sir. Rule of law is one of the guiding principles of good governance. Tragically, rule of law is missing, thus leading to poor governance, negating the Constitution amid claims to uphold the rule of law. This cannot be ensured by mere lip service, but courage of conviction and working within the orbit of the Constitution with no extra constitutional role to any functionary of the state. Therefore, all must operate within the boundaries set by the law. 5. Terrorism is an aggravated form of organized crime to achieve political objectives. Therefore, has to be dealt with like any other organized crime. Laws and policies to combat organized crime are very clear. Zero tolerance is the policy. With anti-terrorism laws and policies in hand, one fails to understand what stops the state apparatus to take decisive action. In this context, the role of the law enforcing agencies at federal level and provincial levels are all well defined. All have to act in unison without blame game. They have to understand that they all sail in the same boat. In case the boat sinks, all on board will also be drowned. Unfortunately, both the federal and provincial governments are evasive, trying to wash their hands off by passing the buck to each other.
The only buck that has been passed are by the members of the commission.
More so, the government of Punjab. They must act promptly under the Constitution, Anti-Terrorism Act 1997, Anti-Money Laundering Act, Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act, the Actions in Aid of Civil Power Regulation 2011 and National Action Plan as a team to counter terrorism and to maintain public order. 6. There is a need to understand that militant groups pursuing a grand objective of imposing their own model of Sharia use all tactics, including terrorism and negotiations, to achieve their ultimate goal. Reared in transnational ideology, they seek inspiration from the existing role models. They now openly vow to continue the struggle for the establishment of their own model through violence. Unfortunately, the government, as always, is only trying a quick fix rather than addressing the root cause. Such a tendency has never worked in the past and will not work in the future. If at all,
article लिख दें अखबार में.
Yeah.
This sounds like an article in a newspaper, not a job assigned to a commission. I've headed many commissions. Quetta commission में exact चीजें बता दी, ये कर दो, और उसे इनसे जल्दी कर दिया. वेबसाइट पे आज भी रिपोर्ट पड़ी हुई है, आप उठा के पढ़ लें अगर आपको समझ नहीं आता कि कमीशन का काम कैसे करता है. ठीक है, ये ऐसे करना है काम. कोई आप स्पेसिफिक इंक्वायरी करें. ये तो ऑफिस से निकले ही नहीं. ये कहाँ बैठे थे ये लोग?
So they were housed in, I believe, Ministry of Interior, I think.
यहाँ से हिले
नहीं सर.
जबकि एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जज बॉम्ब मेकिंग फैक्ट्री तक गया. बड़े लोग हैं, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं, रिटायर्ड ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं. उन्होंने रिपोर्ट दे दी, एक कहा था कि रिपोर्ट दे दो, हमने दे दी रिपोर्ट. एसरटेन भी कर दिया, डिटर्मिन भी कर दिया, रिकमेंडेशंस भी दे दी, सब कुछ कर दिया. ये पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, अंग्रेजी लिख रहे हैं बस. वो भी गलत. मुहावरे पे एक मुहावरा के ऊपर दूसरा मुहावरा, तीसरा मुहावरा. कलेक्टिव विजडम, water over the bridge. I don't know what this is. We all have to act in unison without blame game. Profound. They all have to understand that they will sail in the same boat. Another profound. इधर से उठा लिया घिसे पिटे मुहावरे, बस सबको जोड़ करके रिकमेंडेशन बना दिया इन्होंने. wash their hands off by passing the buck to each other. भाई बताओ ना, ये किया वो किया, कुछ तो बता दो ना. More so the government of Punjab. More so the government of Punjab. Very good. सेवन पे आ जाइए.
Such events should not be looked in isolation but be analyzed in its historical and strategic perspective and consider it a part of the series of events orchestrated by the radical mindset.
तो यही तो हमने लिखा कि जो 3 धरने अगर आप कर लेते स्टेट एक वक्त, तो ये चीजें नहीं बढ़ती. उसका एक जिक्र भी नहीं किया, उन्हें गोल कर दिया. 12 मई को गोल कर गए ना. बिल्कुल
नहीं किया सर.
नहीं किया ना. फिर बाद वाला धरना उसको भी गोल कर गए.
नहीं, वो इस धरने को भी मेरे ख्याल में गोली किया सर.
वो तो इसको भी तो गोल कर गए, मगर हमने कहा था ये चीजें बढ़ती जा रही हैं क्योंकि कोई रुक नहीं रहा है. इट इज हाई टाइम दैट द गवर्नमेंट्स मस्ट रिस्पॉन्ड. पता नहीं किधर से ये आ गए लोग. जरा पढ़ लें इसको भी.
जी सर. It is high time that governments must respond to the aspirations and basic urge of the people for security, for enjoyment of their fundamental rights.
Need होता है. Urge तो हमें नहीं समझा है, but anyways.
Let there be no compromise on the rule of law to avoid being called a fragile or failed state.
ये भी एक उन्होंने घिसा पिटा कहीं उठा के देख लिया, पढ़ लिया, लगा दिया इधर. अगला पढ़ लेते हैं.
The government with the courage of conviction should come up with a counter-violence strategy. For this, a group of persons from academics.
The government with a courage of conviction. Look at the grammar. Come up with a counter-violence strategy.
For this, a group of persons from academics, civil servants, operational and policy level, having served in terrorism-afflicted areas, and public representatives may be formed in order to find the major fault lines and suggest proper counter-violence strategy. The government may undertake steps for promoting a culture rooted in constitutionalism, human rights, democracy, and the rule of law. 11. The Commission.
What does this even mean? The government may undertake steps for promoting a culture. How do you promote a culture? Then you talk about law. You have to abide by the law whether you like it or not. Let's proceed. This is distressing.
The Commission do not agree that counter-terror financing is not the domain of ISI, since terrorism directly affects the security of the country and has been declared as existential threat. Existential threat. Therefore, choking of finances to terrorists is most essential. All law enforcing agencies, including intelligence agencies, may evolve a system where effective check is maintained. They have to work in unison.
Is not the domain of ISI. ये किधर से ले रहे हैं, उठा रहे हैं ये बात?
I don't know. Probably this is a statement which they.
Who said this?
When General Faiz Hamid recorded his statement, he said that financing is not something which the ISI looks into, and probably.
बस उन्होंने कह दिया, वो फतवा हो गया.
Further इन्होंने कुछ नहीं.
उन्होंने वो कह दिया, काफी हो गया ना.
बस फतवा ही समझ के लिख लिया बस. कुछ नहीं.
वो उनसे कैसे पूछें? इतने बासर शख्स से ऐसा सवाल कैसे पूछेंगे भाई? कैसे आपने बात कह दी? आपके पास कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं गवर्नमेंट के? बस आपने कह दिया काफी है. अगर वो कह देते हैं तो आप मान लेते उस तरफ. ठीक है ना. ऐसी चलेगा ना मुल्क.
That's right.
जी
सही कह रहे हैं सर. ये तो कोई
जनरल फैज को कितनी दफा जिक्र किया इस रिपोर्ट में?
सर ये इस रिकमेंडेशन में तो एक दफा आगे कहीं जिक्र आ रहा है.
मैंने इनका कोई नाम कई दफा पढ़ा है. लगता है बस उनका एक ही मैंडेट था कि इनको एग्जॉनरेट करना है. हमने तो कहीं लिखा ही नहीं था जनरल फैज का नाम पूरे जजमेंट में. मुझे याद नहीं आता कि मैंने लिखा था. इस जजमेंट में है
नहीं. आपने नाम तो नहीं लिखा हुआ था.
इन्होंने तो बस एक ही टास्क रखा है शायद मद्देनजर, ये मुझे करना है. वो कह रहे उन्होंने कह दिया हमारा है ही नहीं काम. बस मान ली मैंने बात उनकी.
कमीशन एग्री नहीं किया उससे,
मगर एग्री नहीं करते उनसे.
एग्री नहीं करते.
हाँ
एग्री नहीं करते हैं
तो उनसे कहते ना, उनको बुलाया था कि पूछते भैया आप ये बात कैसे कर रहे हो.
वो कहते हैं ना, वो शेर है.
नहीं बुलाया उनको या नहीं बुलाया?
सर फ्रॉम व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड एक क्वेश्चनर भेजा और उसका रिस्पॉन्स आया.
ओहो, हिम्मत भी नहीं की. चले आगे पढ़ते हैं.
Next para, sir. The PEMRA Act may suitably be amended and composition of council of complaint may be reconstituted. The minimum punishment for broadcasting inflammatory material leading to violence or hatred may be suspension of license for a period of 6 months and a minimum fine of ₹1 crore and maximum of 5 crores.
ये किसने इख्तियार दिया इनको कानून साजी का? ये तो उनका टर्म ऑफ रेफरेंस में है ही नहीं। भाई जो मौजूदा कानून है उस पर अमल करवा दें कि हाँ जी ये कानून में है शेख, ये कह रहे नहीं कानून बदल दो। अच्छा भाई आगे बढ़ते हैं।
For efficient administration, the Islamabad Capital Territory may be given the status of a province with full administrative and financial authority.
चलो आइन भी तब्दील करने का इख्तियार दे दिया आपने इनको।
For efficient and effective administration, the Chief Commissioner Islamabad may also be bestowed with the powers of a Chief Secretary.
पॉलिसी मेकिंग भी आ गई और आगे चले।
Police Order 2002 may be implemented and police may be provided funds to organize police on the concept of functional specialization as provided in the order. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Police Act 2017 may also be examined and emulated in matters of posting and transfers, training and recruitment.
ये खुद तो नहीं थे खैबर पख्तूनख्वा से?
हाँ थे सर।
यही लग रहा है कि बस इनको कुछ है पर्सनल इशू।
Next, para 15, Islamabad Police Counter-Terrorism Department must have control of cyber crime and terror financing units.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? वो FIA का इख्तियार है अंडर द क्राइम्स, वो क्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्राइम्स एक्ट तो उनका इख्तियार है ना FIA का।
That's right.
चलें।
16. Apart from CCTV, the special branch personnel covering events should be given video and audio recording devices as well as cameras. 17. Islamabad and Rawalpindi police both should...
I don't think they've come across something called a mobile phone, which has both audio as well as video recording. Then let's proceed.
And I don't know which additional devices are we talking about.
Everyone has a mobile phone where you can press the record button, aa jayegi recording usme.
Islamabad and Rawalpindi police both should have sufficient number of dedicated anti-riot units equipped with all necessities. The prescribed age for the constable and junior ranks from assistant sub-inspectors to sub-inspector may be 18 to 21 years. They may serve there till the age of 40, after which they may be transferred to other branches of police. A proposed model is appended as Appendix 1.
5,000 मजीद आदमी रख लो।
अब ये भाई 18 होना चाहिए, 20 होना चाहिए। भाई आपका काम है, अपना काम करके हमें दे दो अपनी इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट, ये आगे बढ़ते रहे।
The Commission observed that multiple forces doing the same job within the territorial jurisdiction nullify the concept of unity of command. Therefore, there must be one force, that is police, to deal with issues of law and order. The resources spent on others may be diverted to Islamabad police. Rangers and frontier constabulary have been raised for patrolling border areas. Therefore, their use in urban areas may be avoided. Punjab Police and Islamabad Police should update the list of those involved in acts of terror and other crimes during the 21 days of Dharna of TLYRA. Although a period of 6.5 years had passed, the cases may be reopened. The investigation of the cases should be processed and taken to logical conclusion in accordance with law. Regarding use of social media for illegal purposes, laws and rules should be amended to also empower police to take cognizance of offense, in particular, simple nature of cybercrime. There may be a coordination unit of Ministry of Interior, PEMRA, FIA, intelligence agencies and Islamabad Police to surveil social media against injurious material in violation of law. On the same pattern, arrangements may be made in the provinces. Next para. Commission observed that Lieutenant General retired Faiz Hamid, the then Major General DGC ISI, on behalf of security establishment had to sign the agreement as a mediator between two parties, which was with the permission of DG ISI and COAS. This was also concurred by then Interior Minister SN Iqbal and PM. Involvement of Army or its affiliated agency is pure civilian matters adversely affects the fair image of the institution. Army is a sacred arm of the state, therefore to avoid criticism, the institution may not be involved in public matters. This task may be assigned to IB and civil administration. With this, not only the confidence level of the civilian setup will be built, but also political and other opinion leaders will take them seriously.
Why is he going out of the way to mention and then exonerate this gentleman? Why the need? If we may have constituted another commission to exonerate General Faiz, then he could have written all this thing. Why is he mentioning him at every given juncture?
Yeah, well, sir,
the question is it your job or not? Whether I give, it's like saying that the Chief Justice gave permission to his tenor to issue the judgment. The question is, did he have the authority or not?
While responding to the TORs where they had to fix responsibility, तो वहाँ पे नहीं fix की है. वहाँ पे तो IG पंजाब का ही सिर्फ जिक्र किया था. वहाँ पे अगर responsibility fix नहीं की है तो recommendation में it's counterintuitive. It doesn't make sense. अगर आपने वहाँ पे नहीं किया तो यहाँ क्यों कह रहे हैं?
What does he mean by army is a sacred arm of the state? What does this even mean? Is it constitutional language? Is it legal language? Army is part of the federal government under the Ministry of Defense. What is the sacred arm of the state? मतलब ये तो लग रहा है ये काम पर हैं. क्या हो रहा है इनको मेंबरों को? Sacred arm of the state, भाई. Why is the judiciary less sacred? The parliament less sacred? I'm really surprised at this level of officer. कौन से grade के थे ये लोग?
They were two former inspector generals of police.
Grade what? 21, 20 क्या होता है?
So I think both of them retired in BS 21. They did serve as IGs but retired in BS 21.
Very good. हम तो उनको दूर रख रहे हैं तो फिर एक तरफ आप उनको exonerate भी कर रहे हो, दूसरा तरफ आप कह रहे हो इधर they contradict itself. It should be kept away from purely civilian matters. Fully agree. Then why did they sign it? Simple सी बात है, चाहे वो जो मर्जी जो उनको permission दे दे. लोगे जी मतलब what difference does giving a permission mean? Was there permission given in writing? कोई उन्हें सवाल पूछा उनसे?
There is nothing there in the statement of General Faiz which reflects whether there was a statement where permission was granted in writing. He responded and they accepted it.
And the whole nation had its eyes fixed on this, and this is what they produce. What does this mean? Next one. Intelligence Bureau being the erstwhile agency.
In coordination with civil administration and police may be given lead role in matters of internal security having repercussions on public order.
Okay. Who's stopping them?
Punjab government's role in keeping themselves away from the issue and letting the protesters of TLYRA enter Islamabad without any resistance due to fear of threats to their lives and apprehension of losing their vote bank could not be appreciated. This was
They be resisted. If someone wants to come to Islamabad to protest, can you stop him? Unless he's coming with guns and axes, वो तो एक अलग बात है.
Well, and it's kind of interesting. They say that there were fear of threats to their lives and then apprehension of losing their vote bank. I don't know how this was figured out, but this was omission of duty to enforce law, not only a misconduct, but also violation of the oath.
Where did they get this bit about fear of losing of their vote bank? ये कहाँ से मिला उनको?
I have no idea because there were two statements.
Did they call the TLP? Did they call
not even
the political parties concerned कि आपको खौफ था वोट बैंक आपका कम हो जाए, तो किस बेसिस पे स्टेटमेंट्स दे रहे हैं
ये किसी ने भी अपनी स्टेटमेंट पे as far as I have read किसी
this is a highly charged political document which seems to be put forward to settle some personal scores or vendettas and to exonerate people. It hasn't done a stroke of work, not even one term of reference has been done, complied with. आपको सियासत करना है, आप उतर जाए मैदान सियासत में, फिर ये एक्सरसाइज मत लें. आगे पढ़ें.
25. All those not found truthful, professional, remaining indifferent, remaining indifferent and failing to properly advise the government to handle the situation well in time had ceased to be efficient. Therefore, their acts amounted to misconduct.
भाई हुआ all those बता दो ना, all those not found truthful.
So ये आगे कुछ एक दो examples दे रहे हैं sir. For instance, the former Inspector General Mr. Arif Nawaz's assertion that Islamabad police did not share the operation plan and the reports of the IB were not shared were negated by evidence on record. Mr. Chaudhry Nadeem, Commissioner Rawalpindi and Mr. Israr, City Police Officer, stated that they participated in the meeting presided over by the Commissioner Islamabad, this should be Chief Commissioner, where decision to carry out the operation on 25th November was taken. I don't understand this either, sir.
जी.
Contingency plans, in particular of Punjab Police, for dealing with such situations were found wanting for improvement. Moreover, the system of intelligence gathering was also not adequate. The Commission recommends that a thorough exercise may be conducted for devising contingency plans to deal with such situations in the twin cities. The Commission also observed that there is no statute to regulate the working of intelligence agencies. Therefore, necessary legislation followed by rules and standing operating procedures may be done.
ये तो हमने डायरेक्शन आपको दिया था, ये हमारे जजमेंट में है.
जजमेंट में दिया हुआ सर. वो तो
Why are you not doing it?
My lord, has to be done. There is a judgment since 2019.
Has to be done. Thank you very
But
much.
the Parliament,
Why is it not being done?
My lord, the federal government must place an official bill before the Parliament. There is no excuse for that. I think the successive federal governments, since the judgment was rendered,
आइए
been under
आगे
duty.
पढ़ें.
The Commission also observed weak command and control at the senior level. The basic reason behind this is that balance is not observed in matters of promotions, postings and transfers of the officers. Considerations of serving in hard and soft areas and staff and command jobs are no longer relevant.
What is he doing? Hard and soft areas. Which part of the reference is this? जो काम कहा था वो नहीं करना है, दुनिया भर के पूरे पाकिस्तान को ठीक करने के काम इन्हें बता दिए, मगर जो काम इनको दिया था करने के लिए भाई ये कर दो, वो नहीं करेंगे. हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट एरियाज और ये वो पुलिस, पंजाब की पुलिस को खैबर पख्तूनख्वा की पुलिस की तरह नक्शे कदम पे चलना चाहिए, बस ये उनका काम है पूरा.
This is all over the place.
The Commission therefore recommends. जब जरा आगे पढ़ने, the Commission also recommends that all those who served in D.I. Khan, Lucky, Marwat, Pannu, Kohat, Hangu, Swat, Dir, Bunair, सारे खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के districts हैं.
From 2004 to maybe
suitably rewarded.
Moreover, before posting the PSP officers of the rank of this, they must have served in hard areas of other provinces. I mean,
जो hard area ना करे उसको promote ना करो. ये किस किस्म की recommendation है? Attorney General साहब.
और वो अपने सारे सूबे के district कर दिए, उन्होंने कहा maybe suitably be rewarded.
I have this painful duty of reading this out to you while standing here.
वो हार्ड एरिया पाकिस्तान, पूरे पाकिस्तान में सिर्फ KPK में नजर आया हार्ड एरिया, बाकी सूबों में नहीं नजर आया.
बलूचिस्तान में नहीं है, सिंध में नहीं है.
नहीं कच्चे में भेजें फिर पता लग जाए.
वो आप बलूचिस्तान के एरियाज हार्ड एरिया, nothing compared to the hard areas of.
नहीं, और जो माय लॉर्ड ने कहा है कि कच्चे में भेजे तो पता लग जाएगा, वहाँ पे तो बहुत ही मॉडर्न वेपनरी है उनके पास, जो डेकॉइट्स है उधर कच्चे के एरिया में.
Modern heavy weapon. Why is he mentioning this? The Commission has by its own hands destroyed its credibility because they are pursuing a very personal, vindictive agenda. I don't understand what sort of commission this is. Either you give a wishy-washy report, but they are going into areas which have nothing to do with the terms of reference. Mentioning particular areas, they may be rewarded. What is this? And all on our orders. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर था, कमीशन हो गया, अभी कल को पिटीशन ले आएगा, जी मुझे रिवॉर्ड दे दो, मैंने DI खान में सर्विस की है, या मैं बन्नू में गया हूँ, कोहाट में गया हूँ, स्वात में गया हूँ. तो चार सद्दा भी हार्ड एरिया है, तो पेशावर के बराबर का है, पार्ट ऑफ पेशावर. हाँ,
मर्दान भी लिखा हुआ है सर.
चलें आगे पढ़ें.
The Commission also observed a mere lip service to the National Action Plan, in particular to the following points. There will be a crackdown on hate speech and action will be taken against newspapers, magazines contributing to the spread of such
ऐसे ही
speech.
करोगे, कानून बता दें, यहाँ नहीं बता रहे कानून.
Financial
चलिए
sources
स्किप
of
करें,
जी,
जस्ट वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. 30 पे आ जाएं.
सर इनका जे पढ़ लें खाली.
जे
सर
like the rest of the country, no space will be given to extremism in any part of the Punjab.
वाई पंजाब, वाई नॉट होल पाकिस्तान.
like the rest of the country, no space be given to extremism in any part of the Punjab.
पाकिस्तान पूरा होना चाहिए एजी
फुल
साहब.
स्टॉप कर देते थे.
वो
नो
उन्होंने
स्पेस
कहा है
गिवन टू
कि
एक्सट्रीमिज्म, फुल स्टॉप.
दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग. वो कह रहे हैं कि लाइक द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, सो जैसे रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री में कोई स्पेस नहीं दिया हुआ है तो पंजाब में भी नहीं देंगे. सो एज इफ देयर इज दिस एक्सट्रीमिज्म
मैंने
इज
मार करके रखा हुआ था इस जे को.
only in Punjab and it's not in the rest of the country. So
It's one country. Raiji speaking like this. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
it is high time that all aforementioned points of the National Action Plan shall be implemented. Omission in this regard is a misconduct on part of the officials and violation of oath on part of the public office holders. For better cooperation and coordination between Rawalpindi and ICT police, every officer of the rank of assistant, it should be assistant sub-inspector of police to deputy superintendent of police may periodically be posted on deputation basis to to each other district. Well, these are two different polices we are talking
कह रहे
about. एक
मुस्तफा
पंजाब है और एक
revisit
इस्लामाबाद है. सर्विस ही फर्क है.
अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब आगे कह रहे हैं मुस्तफा इम्पैक्ट्स को रिविजिट करें.
कि वो आगे
जी अपना काम करो, बाकी के लोगों को अपने काम करने दें. एक जगह तो लिख रहे हैं कि हर ऑर्गन को अपने अपने काम करना
सर
चाहिए.
आपके लिए भी कुछ कहा है अगले पैरा
जी, जी.
में. माय लॉर्ड ने पॉइंट आउट
जी जी हमें कह रहे हैं कि हम मुस्तफा इम्पैक्ट्स रिविजिट करें. शाबाश.
The Commission also observed that the Prime Minister and the ministers do not have clear and defined authority. With the Mustafa Impacts case, the executive authority of the Prime Minister has further been diluted. Wherever the word government occurs, the issue has to be referred to the Cabinet for orders. This results in delay of decisions or indecision. Therefore, the judgment may be revisited. My Lord, great opportunity.
आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
33. Under the existing rules of business, Federal Secretary is the administrative head and principal accounting officer. As such, the minister does not have an effective authority. Therefore, rules of business may be amended suitably in order to give him or her the authority with an aim to make him or her responsible.
If these senior bureaucrats had any sense of how the system works, policy decisions are taken by ministers, administrative decisions are taken by secretaries.
Yes, and those
If you
decisions
start giving administrative decisions to ministers, then you completely destroy the bureaucracy. That's not their job. Their job is policy matters. वो क्या करना चाहिए. बाकी implementation work is always of the secretary.
Yeah.
They are saying that this task should also be given to minister. मतलब posting, transfer, demotion, जो भी bureaucratic चीजें, implementation of government policy. So they will make policy and they will implement it. I don't know. Where is this coming from? Which part of the term of reference? I'm really disappointed. Was it done for free?
No, sir.
क्या?
They were paid, I suppose. I think they were paid, yes.
You know it or no?
No, I can tell you for certain that they were paid. I don't know exactly the amount which I can get you.
But what do we
for
do
you,
with
but I
this?
do know that they were paid for this.
Do we need to ask them to come and respond?
My lord, they
I mean, this report certainly did not do the task it was assigned.
my lord, we have gone through it. I've read it out before your lordships. The deficiencies or, well, there is perhaps nothing in this. I think they need to come and respond. Otherwise, I mean, this report,
मतलब एक काम की बात है सर पूरे रिपोर्ट में बता दें
मुझे तो नहीं नजर आई.
यदि ये कर दें मसला हल हो जाएगा या मसला चले थोड़ा ठीक हो सकता है, बेहतरी की तरफ जा सकता है. एक चीज बता दें पूरी रिपोर्ट में, इधर तकरीर उधर तकरीर, इसको एग्जॉनरेट करना तो उसको कंडेम करना. भाई ना आपका काम किसी को एग्जॉनरेट करना था ना किसी को कंडेम करना था. आउट द वे जाके आप लोगों को नाम ले रहे हो, आउट द वे जाके लोगों को एग्जॉनरेट कर रहे हो. और इट स्मैक्स ऑफ प्रोविंशियलिज्म आल्सो, व्हिच इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. Why are you doing this? What for? What is your position on this?
My Lord,
the government has to either endorse the report or reject the report.
My Lord,
Our thinking is maybe coming to one conclusion, but we want to know, is the government supporting, endorsing this report or not?
My Lord, the federal government is to consider this report while it is.
काफी दिन हो गए आपको, कब तक consider करेंगे?
I will get a follow-up on this, but as has been observed, and I have also gone through it with you, I don't see what action items should the government or the government can take based on the recommendations of this report. There is nothing clear. There is no clarity here, and even the liabilities or the responsibilities that were to be affected is also nothing.
ला कानूनियत को अगर रोकना है तो कुछ तो करना होगा। गुस्ताखी माफ वो लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये मट्टी पावर प्रोग्राम वाला जो है ना, ये सिलसिला खत्म हो जाए।
जी, उससे तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना, वो अब तक तो यही होता है, मट्टी डालते आए हैं तो यहाँ पहुंच गए।
ये भी वही लग रहा है।
Maybe it was acted upon the 2019 judgment, February. 9th May 2023 may not have happened.
That's right. We can just go back to the judgment actually. ये इससे तो कुछ नहीं समझ आई।
In judgment we have given precise things to do.
Federal government to actually do something, इसके अंदर तो उन्होंने actually responsibility fix करनी थी कि भाई कौन लोग हैं जो delinquent थे या responsible थे, वो तो हुआ नहीं। Judgment's paragraph 53 is quite clear in terms of what it requires the government to do.
We've given very clear, precise things. Every citizen and political party has the right to assemble and protest, provided such assembly and protest is peaceful and complies with the law.
So there are clear guidance. There is clear guidance.
अब आप आग जलाओ, मारो लोगों को, वो किधर से कौन सा हक आपको देता है? इस्लाम आपको हक देता है? जरा बताएं। इस्लाम में तो अगर पेवमेंट पे एक पत्थर पड़ा हो ना, वो आपको सवाब मिलेगा, आप उस पत्थर को हटा दें, या कोई लकड़ी पड़ी हुई है रास्ता रोके उसको आप हटा दें, वो आपको सवाब मिलेगा उस बात का जो आपने नहीं किया काम। Protesters who obstruct people's right to use roads and damage or destroy property must be proceeded against in accordance with the law and held accountable. ये इनका काम था करने का, वो उन्होंने किया ही नहीं।
Constitution earmarks responsibility of election commission. All parties have to account for the source of their fund. This is the election commission. The state must not.
The intelligence agency should monitor activities of all those who threaten the territorial integrity of the country and all those who undermine the security of the people and the state by resorting to or inciting violence. ये हमारे recommendations हैं, clear cut. और हमने आपको ये भी कहा था कि कानून बना दें। अब वो एक आ गया DGC, उसने कहा जी मेरा मैंडेट ही नहीं है। भाई अच्छा बता दो आपका मैंडेट क्या है, वो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा आपको। मैंने कह दिया बस काफी है। अच्छा भाई आपका बता दें ये ना मैंडेट नहीं है आपका, टेरर फाइनेंसिंग मेरा मैंडेट ही नहीं है। मुझे ताज्जुब हो रहा है ऐसी बात कोई DGC कह सकता है, खासतौर से कंट्री विच हैज सफर्ड सो मच टेररिज्म। अब एक इंसिडेंट हुआ होता तो एकदम कह दें ये तो हमारा मैंडेट ही नहीं, तो नई चीज आ गई, हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं इसके मुतालिक। वन ऑफ द कंट्रीज सफर्ड मोस्ट ऑफ टेररिज्म इन द वर्ल्ड, ये आगे कह रहे हैं साहब कि जी हमारा मैंडेट ही नहीं है। अच्छा भाई थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपका मैंडेट ही नहीं है तो फिर आपको इनको रिकॉर्ड में लिखना चाहिए था इनका मैंडेट दीजिए इनको।
That's right, sir.
वो नहीं लिखा।
ऐसे केसेस बलूचिस्तान हाईकोर्ट में ऐसे केस हमारे सामने आए हैं जिसमें नादरा के शनाख्ती कार्ड ब्लॉक हुए इंपोर्टर एक्सपोर्टर्स के, और वो इस बुनियाद पे ब्लॉक हुए कि जी ISI ने रिपोर्ट दी है कि ये टेरर फाइनेंसिंग में इन्वॉल्व है, मुख्तलिफ कंट्री से ट्रांजैक्शन हो रही हैं, लिहाजा इनकी CNIC ब्लॉक कर दें। तो वहाँ इंपोर्टर एक्सपोर्टर के शनाख्ती कार्ड ब्लॉक करने के लिए CRC RLC की कमेटीज में ISI के ऑफिसर्स उनके नुमाइंदे बैठते हैं वहाँ वो रिपोर्ट वैलिड हो रही है कि वो रिपोर्ट दे रहे हैं कि जी ये मिस्टर A और B टेरर फाइनेंसिंग में इन्वॉल्व है, लिहाजा इनका शनाख्ती कार्ड ब्लॉक कर दें। और वो स्टेट बैंक तक भी ट्रांजेक्शन रुक जाती है इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट की, अफगान ट्रांजिट ट्रेड भी इफेक्ट हो जाता है और शनाख्ती कार्ड ब्लॉक भी हो जाता है। और वो हाई कोर्ट की रिट जुडिशरी को इन्वोक करते हैं, सेक्रेटरी से होते हुए आते हैं। तो वहाँ पे तो ISI टेरर फाइनेंसिंग की रिपोर्ट दे रही रही है, यहाँ वो कहते हैं कि हमारा मैंडेट ही नहीं था ये।
नहीं, वो कहा ना, एक शख्स ने आके कहा कि नहीं है तो बस वो वहीं रुक गया विदाउट एक्चुअली प्रोबिंग
मेरे
इट
ख्याल
फर्दर
है
कि
सिंध
भाई
में तो
क्यों ये
हमारे-
कह रहे हैं, उसकी वो रेसिटी स्टेटमेंट की जो जेन्युइननेस है या ट्रूथफुल है उसको एसरटेन कर लिया।
आउट ऑफ भाई वो तो आपका काम ही नहीं था, आउट ऑफ द वे जाके आप उनका जिक्र कर रहे हैं, फिर आउट ऑफ द जे जाके आप एग्जॉनरेट कर रहे हो। भाई आप जिक्र ही नहीं करते, हमने तो नहीं कहा किसी का, हमने तो किसी का जिक्र नहीं किया ना, किसी का नाम लेकर
नहीं है, नाम नहीं है सर,
अपने जजमेंट में।
नहीं है सर,
इनको बहुत शौक था, हाँ
मैं कह सकता हूँ सर।
पर
नजर आ रहा है।